I want to know if it's possible to fix a Samsung refrigerator door if it has been dented and scratched, small dent in the front side edge, during a move. The dent is ~1 centimeter. It's a stainless steel French door, model RF 4287 HARS. If not, how much would it cost, CDN, to replace the door?
Hi, I'm John. The first will help you with the dent in the door. The door cannot be repaired, it has to be replaced. http://www.searspartsdirect.com/partsdirect/part number/Samsung parts/refrigerator parts DA9103039A/0046/401 model RF4287 HARSA/1482/016100 key suffix it equals na and path taken equals part search and path render equals model component nt and document comp it equals 5003719 and diagram page it equals 00006 and product type it equals X and search model number equals R.F. 4287 HARSA and subcomp DESC equals frig %20 door %20 right and brand DESC equals Samsung and model DESC equals refrigerator and BLT equals 11 and SHD mod equals.
Seriously, I thought it was going to cost about 4x that amount. Are you certain this is the door I need? Can I replace it myself or is there electronics, etc., that need to be hooked up?
The door I sent you is the right side door. Is that the one that's damaged?
Yes, it is the right side.
It comes complete. Any electrical connections are plugins.
You made my day. I was so heartbroken about the damage as we just bought the fridge in the spring and had to move it into the garage to keep it safe during our kitchen reno.
Great. I am glad I could help out.
So will it have instructions on how to install or will I find that in the owner's manual?
It may not come with hinges, so you have to use the old hinges. I am sure instructions will come with the door.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thanks and God bless.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.